Hello everyone, welcome to my crochet tutorial. Today we're making a beautiful crochet coaster, perfect for protecting your tables in style or gifting to someone special. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crocheter, I'm so excited you're here with me. Don't worry if it feels tricky at first, you've got this. If you enjoy this video, please hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up to support my channel. Let's get started. For round 1, we're starting with a magic ring and 12 double crochets, or DC. Begin by making a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your fingers, insert your hook, and pull up a loop. Chain 3, that counts as your first DC. Then, work 11 more DC into the ring. Once you're done, pull the tail to tighten the ring and slip stitch to join. You're doing great already. Tip: keep your tension even when pulling the ring closed for a neat center. Next, for round 2, we're doing 12 DC increases, which means 12 front V increases, or FV. Chain 3 to start, that's your first DC. Then, in the same stitch, add another DC. That's your first increase. Work 2 DC in each stitch around for a total of 24 stitches. Slip stitch to join. Look at that, your coaster is growing beautifully. Tip: count your stitches after this round to make sure you have 24. For round 3, we'll alternate with a DC and a DC increase, repeating that 12 times. Chain 3 for your first DC, then, in the next stitch, work 2 DC, that's your increase. Continue with 1 DC, then 2 DC in the next stitch all the way around. You'll end with 36 stitches. Slip stitch to join. You're doing amazing, keep it up. Tip: use a stitch marker to track your first stitch in each round. It's a game changer. Moving on to round 4, the pattern is DC, DC increase, DC, repeated 12 times. Chain 3 to start, then in the next stitch, work 2 DC for your increase, followed by 1 DC in the next. Repeat that sequence around. You'll finish with 48 stitches. Slip stitch to join. Wow, your coaster is taking shape so nicely. Tip: if your circle starts to ripple, check your tension. It should lie flat. For round 5, we're adding a decorative touch with 15 little clusters. In one stitch, work a DC, chain 3, then another DC in the same stitch. Skip 2 stitches, then repeat that cluster 14 more times around, 15 total. Slip stitch to join. You're creating something so lovely, great job. Tip: keep your chain 3 loops consistent for a uniform look. Next up, round 6 brings in puff stitches for texture. In each chain 3 space from the last round, crochet a puff stitch, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop 3 times, then yarn over and pull through all loops. Chain 4 after each puff stitch. Repeat that 15 times around. Slip stitch to join. You're nailing this, it's looking so pretty. Tip: pull gently on the puff stitch to fluff it up nicely. For round 7, we're finishing with a floral edge. Start with a single crochet or SC in the space between your puff stitches from the last round. Then SC into the chain space, followed by a half double crochet, or HDC, 4DC, and another HDC, all in that same chain space. Repeat that 12 times around. Slip stitch to join. You did it. What a stunning coaster. Tip: block your coaster after finishing to make it perfectly flat and polished. And there you have it. Your gorgeous crochet coaster is complete. I'm so proud of you for following along. These coasters are perfect for your coffee table or as a handmade gift. If you love this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more crochet fun. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to make next. Happy crocheting, and I'll see you in the next video.